actually live. Hometown.
How in the fuck are you about to say? The way that we do it, it's not the way. No, don't you sweat it, you not in the way. No.
What's up, guys? It's officially the next day from the last video you've seen. It's Saturday now, a day after the concert, and I'm going right back at it with the white van. I can't believe I just said that. In all seriousness though, Sunday, tomorrow, we're making a video, I think, if the weather's nice. What time is it? It's 11:01, and I need to wake up at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tomorrow. We gotta get up early, and we gotta go out, and possibly, if everything works right, depending on this weather, man. It's fine right now, but it's supposed to snow. Welcome to spring. So if everything works out right and the weather's fine, and if we get past that and everything works fine with everything else, there might be a special guest, guys, in this video, but I don't know yet. I'm literally texting right now on it. Hopefully it works. Next time you see this, it will be the AM, and we will be out, and I will see you guys then. What is up, guys? It is the next day, and I'm gonna make this quick, but we are not going out today. Here's why. I set my alarm for like 8 o'clock, woke up, and it was snowing out like crazy. And now, if you look, there's absolutely no snow on the ground. The sun is out, and the only problem is it's really windy out. Like, I don't know. It is cold, and it is really windy, and it's supposed to stay windy till later on tonight. So, if I do anything, I'm going out with my other friend, and we are not doing what was planned, and we're gonna save that for next weekend. So I'm sorry, guys. It is what it is. I hate the weather here, I really do. So next time I'm just gonna keep this all in. We're gonna have a new video. Well, we're gonna continue on to next weekend. The next time I see you in this video is gonna be, it's gonna be the next weekend. And hey, it is what it is. And we did not time travel that much, guys. It's the same day, an hour later from the last time I recorded a clip. I'm actually just gonna continue this video today because I am going out. And I'm going to go watch WrestleMania with my friends. They invited me over, so I'm just gonna go, I guess. I don't know. But look at the weather now, an hour later. Okay, this is literally an hour later. Here we go. Ready? Look at this. Why? Why does nature hate us right now? It is absolutely awful again out there. It's literally back and forth, and I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what's going on today. But look at this. It was just sunny. It went from snow to sun to snow, like that. Oh. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna time travel you guys later on. I gotta charge this thing, and I'll see you later. This is gonna be such a weird video. I've actually been smashing out a lot of vlogs lately, so I hope you guys enjoy. And there's going to be some interesting ones next weekend too, obviously, as I've told you about. So, yeah. I'll time travel to when I'm ready to leave. I am leaving now, and look at the weather. I am not making this stuff up. Back to being sunny and windy. Oh my god. What's up, guys? I'm about to go pick up my cousin, and we're gonna see what's going on. I'm not even joking. I had 2 pieces of hail hit my car. This is insane, this weather, guys. It's crazy. What's up, guys? So literally I just got to Burger King, got my food. My cousin's still in there, and I don't know what the heck he ordered, but he's been in there a while. We're gonna put this in the back. I gotta go back to my house real quick to get a drink, and we will be off to Paul's house, and we will be watching the show from his house. And I'm not gonna film a lot. This is gonna be a pretty boring video. and that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say, so that's it. You gotta hurry. You gotta hurry. You gotta hurry. You gotta hurry. Now we lock the door. Let's go! These kids are crazy. These kids are crazy.
Guys, I'm kind of curious to see how this goes.
Let me put this on.
Wait, he's almost. Look at him.
Hey, ready?
Is that my Burger King you're eating?
Okay, ready? Okay, Nicki
Gabby and
Minaj.
Connor, if she said no, you have to back away.
Nicki Minaj is.
Oh.
Nicki Minaj is. Okay, I'll go straight. Nicki Minaj is fake butt.
It's hot. What?
Nicki Minaj is fake butt.
Do you like jack off to it?
Like one pop.
If only Bailey was.
Do you jack off to it?
No, it's like one pop. Punch it. Like punching a ball.
Why did you just kiss me? Yes, nigga. Oh my God, it's almost 9/11.
She's almost 9/11.
Was under
What'd you
it.
do?
Okay. For I just wanted to look up donkey in the dictionary.
Yep.
I found ass.
That was awesome.
Okay.
Somebody left the fridge open. And they'll have Sasha be AJ Lee's. No,
Connor, who would you fuck?
Foot's gonna go under the rope. Put your
None.
foot under the rope.
Fucking retards.
Thanks, Amy.
There it is. That's it. That's it.
Oh, so organic.
Tap.
The foot's on the rope, no?
No.
Looks like it. No, it's not.
Oh, come on.
This fucking.
Yes. That's it.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh!
Come on. Oh,
What the No! Don't make it
don't do this crap.
Figure four left.
Dude.
Hey, look, it's the finger forelock.
Come on, Banks!
It's gonna be like.
Yeah, just punch your knee, because that hurts.
There you go. Tap.
I don't understand how that.
I never reversed it.
I'm gonna become a wrestler. I don't give a goddamn.
Dude, that looks so wrong. Hey, look at hey, how do you like my hair?
No. Yes.
That looks like a dildo.
Good help. Good work.
This match is good.
Oh,
Hey, this is.
Why
Ooh!
are
Yeah.
you guys all purple?
Watch out.
I don't fucking know.
I'm on drugs. I'm about to fall.
Well, you look like a giant turtle. Where is you? Where is you at?
This should be like the. This should be
Isn't
called.
Becky dating someone?
When she comes, we should all hide on her.
Dang.
This should be called date.
Right there. That's the end. That. Oh, come on.
Date rape.
Oh, you fat fuck!
Why is Becky crying?
Hey, I'll be fine with the Charlotte win.
She's not, she's sweating, you
Your
idiot.
hair just fell out.
This is dumb.
No, I don't. Not like that. Not like that.
No!
What are you
come
doing?
on! No!
Wait, no. Did you drop her off yet?
What?
Bull.
No one won. No one got points.
Paul, they broke the chair.
Broke the chair.
They broke the.
Did you
No,
really?
it wasn't
No,
even
I'm
that
just kidding.
Paul, I know who.
Did you really?
No.
No.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just being.
Yeah, you.
Okay, I'll
No.
yours. I don't have one. Are you sure?
Next person that swears, Paul gives an Alberto Del Rio thingy too.
Fuck!
Guys!
Ow, PJ, that really hurt! That's not funny!
Guys, this is the only interesting part about wrestling.
That's not fucking funny, PJ!
You should have said it!
That seriously wasn't funny!
Fuck yes, motherfucker.
I think I broke the chair a little bit.
You got no shit!
What is up, guys? Just got back. Actually, I'm just leaving. It is 12:07 midnight time. Nobody is out, guys. It is dead. So I'm gonna go now and end this video. I will see you guys next weekend or next video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.